Yo, what the fuck, man? What is good? All right, Tech G back at it. We got the keyboard switches. All right. So these ones, I bought them stock with the red switches, right? So these ones are virtually quiet, and there's like a little bit of there's very little resistance. I don't know what the term is. I think they call it like a tactile feel or whatever. Basically, the red switches are pretty linear. They're pretty smooth, so you just press on them, right? Whereas the clicky switches, they have a little bit more of a bounce, right? I think that's what tactile means. So it's a little bit of pressure, right? So I got these on where did I get them? Fuck, I got them from Amazon. Got them from Amazon. They're about 20 bucks. And they're the reds, or they're the white switches. So the red ones are bought stock. The white ones are the clicky ones. So I think the other mechanical key models out there, I think the blue ones are the clicky one. But for this brand, Kailh, shit, I don't know, man, Kailh, right? Whatever. So I'll link this for you guys to use. But it's the same switch, it's the same brand, so it's a clean swap. All right. So this tool comes with the keyboard. This thing right here you use to pull the this key fuck, I don't know what you call this key cap right here. You pull it out like so. I'm not gonna do it right now because shit, fuck, I don't have like a camera mount. Let's see if I can do this in one hand. But let's see. You just wrap it like this. Oh shit. You just wrap it like so, and you just lift it up, right? The board is very well built, so you know I was a little bit hesitant. Like I was afraid I might break something, but shit, it's actually pretty easy. So I'll just do this one. Show you guys like that. This is the keycap. And then you'll notice right here, here's the stock red switches. You see that this little groove right here, this little pocket. You're gonna want to use shit. Pull this motherfucker right here, dog. Pull it out. You just pull it out vertically. And yeah, just give it a little bit of pressure. Oh, fuck. You're good. I'm good. There you go. That's satisfying. So, you know, just don't do anything crazy. Don't fucking try to break your shit. This thing did cost 360 bucks. It's fucking expensive. But it's well built. So, here's the switches. These things are fucking cheap, man. I bought how many pieces? 36 pieces. So I'm not gonna do the whole board because, like, if any of you guys have ever used a mechanical keyboard, it's just fucking loud, dude. It will pierce your ear. So make sure that you really want these before you get them. Like here's the difference. Hear that? That's the difference, right? This is the clicky switch. This is the softer one, right? So I'll do the stock switch. Hear that click? And then right now, I switched all my vowels to have the clicky one. Stock, clicky. Stock, clicky. So when I'm typing, you'll hear the click happen when you hit a vowel. I actually switched my, this is my shift and backspace. Oh no, I'm sorry. I switched this one. This one is my mission control. That's clicky. This other side, my command is clicky. And then I have all my vowels. Everything else is quiet. I'm torn. I actually like this one a lot. It's very satisfying. But the click, it hits a little different too. But just fucking swap that shit out whenever you want, man, dude. Fucking, there's no rhyme or reason. Man, I just want to get all the colors and just fucking swap this whole bitch, but We'll see. All right. Anyways, so let's switch this guy here. Put this motherfucker in here. See that? Let's press it in. That's it. And that's it. Now it's connected. Right? The switch is touching the board. And then putting the cap, the key switch cap, just put it in there like so. Just press it down. All right, make sure it's snug. Hear that? Clicky, non-clicky. Clicky, non-clicky. And there you have it. That's how you swap the keys. Right? You want to do this brand, the Kailh brand, 36 pieces. You can do the whole board. I like to, I like to just mix and match. Like, I like to mix shit around. Even when I cook or make drinks, I just fuck around with shit and just mix it. So I think I'm gonna add another clicky switch here, and this one will be the quiet one. This one's the quiet one. And this is the clicky one. So this is my space. So I'll be hitting this a lot. This is my my backspace. This is my enter and tab. But yeah, man, fucking A, dude. Like this thing is well built. Just swapped it out real quick. This is a nice little fun $20 add-on. I think there's more accessories for this board, but I don't see myself using it. I don't think there's like an accessory where you can like mount it, and I think you can stand and tilt your hands at a certain angle, but it looked kind of weird. I don't need that yet, but maybe down the line, who knows? Oh, by the way, I actually took these into work today, and I was afraid that it was going to be too loud, but the way that my desk in the office is, we're like 3 in a row. It's non-assigned seating, but the person to my left is like 3 feet away. Well, actually, no, like 5 feet away, and the other person on my right is 5 feet away, or 4, maybe 4 or 5. But they didn't complain. Maybe because I didn't have the whole fucking board going off hella loud. God knows how many decibels that is. But maybe like it's just not as loud as I thought it would be. It's very distinct, but yeah, no complaints. So I think I'm gonna keep them. Will I do the whole thing with clicky switches? Probably not. I still like the quiet ones too. And I just like to have that tactile feel, have that sound when I hit my vowels and my spaces. All right, fuck. I got some more shit coming in. No more reviews. I actually got this. It's like a headset I got off Temu. Shout outs to Temu. Because I don't really fucking like Amazon. I don't like how they're a monopoly with modern e-commerce. But Temu, I bought these headphones. They're like these. I think they called it like a bone or a jawbone headphones, where these earphones, they're not really earphones, but they're like I guess they're earphones, but they emit sound through vibration, through like the top layer, well, through your face, right? It sends these vibrations to your eardrum through your face and not in your ear. So I've been using this for probably like an hour so far. At first it was kind of weird, but I kind of like them. I'll tell you guys about these next time. More shit to review down the line. All right, take care.